Netgear EX7500 100NAS Nighthawk Ac2200 Wi-Fi Mesh Extender. Step 1. Unbox and power on. Plug the extender into an electrical outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid green. Step 2. Connect to the extender network. On your device, PC/phone, connect to the Wi-Fi network named Netgear EX. Step 3. Open a browser and navigate. Go to http://mywifixt.net or http://192.168.1.250 in a web browser. Step 4. Log into the extender. Use the default credentials or create a new account if prompted. Step 5. Follow the setup wizard, select the network you want to extend, enter your router's Wi-Fi password, and click Next. Step 6. Relocate the extender. Unplug and move the extender to a location where it improves coverage but maintains a strong connection to the router. Step 7. Check signal strength. Use the extender's signal indicators to verify the placement. Step 8. Reconnect devices. Connect your devices to the extender's Wi-Fi network using the same password as your main network. Step 9. Test connectivity. Verify that all areas now have a strong Wi-Fi signal. Step 10. Save settings. If required, finalize and save all changes in the extender's interface. Thanks for watching.